Hey, welcome back. This is a neat glitch in Ratchet Deadlocked on the planet Sarathos in the campaign level Alien Soil. Um, so, this glitch, it actually works better in co-op because it's easier since you get to control the hack array, but you don't have to do it in co-op. It still works in single player, but not as well because my bots are really pissing me off all the time. So yeah, you wanna just go over here and do whatever. Just finish off all these guys. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, just kill this guy. Alright, so you want to hack the orbs and then have your bots back away at this like certain point, and then hack and then back away. Because so this should cause like an army of swarmers to keep on popping out of the ground. Each time you do it, it works a little bit better, but no guarantees, because this glitch is pretty shaky. So yeah, you just keep on... It's really, really hard in single player. Extremely hard. Stupidly hard. See? Like that. Except in co-op, you can do it so that so many swarmers pop out that it will freeze your PlayStation. But if you don't want your PlayStation freeze because there are so many swarmers, then don't run away like a chicken like I did once. Yeah, so, yep, that's about it. Let me just try one more time. Yeah, like that. See how it gets slower? I believe that in campaign mode for single player, you have to have your bots keep on hacking the orbs for this to happen for a while, but no. I guess I'm wrong. See, so just some swarmer madness. If you want to stop, then using your Harbinger might make them stop. I'm not sure. All I do know is that this will give you a lot of money. And a lot of swarmer kills. See, my friend and I, we kept on doing this for a very long time. And by the end, we had about 10,000 kills. It was pretty sweet. See, and if you want to stop and shooting them doesn't help, then just have your bots hack the orbs. Like this. Some napalm won't hurt either. So, yeah. Gives you a lot of money. Well, that's about it. See you next time. Oh, darn it.